Number 4 is to find out these areas. This area here, so I need to find out what the x-intercept is. So I might go negative 20 x cubed bracket. Now that square root is only got x inside of it, so make sure you're out of the square root, then minus 1, close bracket, press xe just to make sure it's correct. Also double check, and that's looking okay, and that's looking like what I've got there. Beautiful. So I can think that my x-intercept is going to be 1, but I might make that equal 0 and solve for x to find out the two x-intercepts. And 0 and 1. Okay, so I'm looking for the integral from 0 to 1 of a of x dx to get my definite integral mark, and to find the answer I would take this, select it, keyboard, select it, math 2 integral from 0 to 1 dx, and there's my answer, 5 on 9 units squared. In part B, I've got area trapped between two curves, between this point and this point. So I need to find, that is the y-axis. So my upper terminal is going to be 0. I need to find where these intersect. So I've got e to the x plus 1, and then outside of that exponential minus 1, and that equals e to the minus x minus 1 minus 1, and I solve for x. And I find that that intersection point is negative 1. So to get the full marks for the integral, it's negative 1 to 0 of b of x minus c of x, because the top curve is defined as b. I don't have to write the equations out. And to find out the answer, I'm going to bring up my integral. I'm going to go from negative 1 to 0. I'm going to put in a bracket, so math 1 bracket, and then outside the bracket minus another bracket. So then I can pick this up and plonk this in the front because that's the top curve, and plonk this at the back because that's the bottom curve. I want a bracket around it because I've got those negatives with respect to x. And there's my answer, e plus 1 on e minus 2 square units.